Yeah, hello, great traders. We want to look at gold analysis this week, 9th to 13th September 2024. Okay, you can see from my screen that the price, the market has given us what to work with. Okay, so just take note of the market has given us what we should work with. So far, okay, we can see that the market has given us this to work with as our what? As our resistance. Okay, yes, as our resistance. Just take note of that. Okay. And if we are looking at it as a line, okay, if you want to look at it as a line, then it means that you are going to work with this one, 2,530 as the resistance so far. But because I want to work with a zone, okay, that is why you can see that I'm using this particular one to work with. Okay, so that is so far what is there. Now, you can also see that the market came all the way up. Okay, in the course of the week I did this one, and the market came all the way here. Okay, and then for whatever reason shoots up again, which I anticipated it over here that it is going to go up. Okay, yes, so the market went up there, and then the news pushed it a little bit to our zone, okay, to the resistance area, which is this place, around 30 there about. Okay, and then started dropping all the way to this point. As a matter of fact, these are the prices we are working with so far. For some time, the market has been ranging between 25.30 to 20. Okay, so between this one, 25.30 and then 24.70 there about. So this is what we are working with, right? So far the market is somewhere here. What I'm expecting now, okay, is that I'm expecting the market to make some form of correction over here. A minute. Some form of correction over here, and then drop down. Okay, but plus or minus, these are the areas. You can see that we have one here. Okay, you can also work with this one too, if possibly. You can also work with this one too. Do you understand? So these are the things we can so far work with. Okay, as the correction, but I want to go with this one. Okay, yes, and then the market will start dropping. So we want to work with this digits, 25.30 being the resistance area, and then 24.70 being the support area. So these are the things we are actually going to work with. Now we are going to have news in the coming week. Okay, so this is what is happening. The price didn't come down to hit the, how do we call it, the support area. Okay, yes, price didn't come there, price didn't come to, so we are expecting it to come. So it should make some corrections, okay, and then come down over here. Okay, if there is anything to work with so far as the news is concerned, okay, then it means that we are going to look at the market to come all the way to this. That is, if it breaks this one, all the way down here. Okay, yes, but as it stands now, anything at all that I'm going to do in the coming week, I'm going to look at sell. It's the sell that I'm going to look at. Okay, yes, so far, because we have had numerous of touches in the course of the previous weeks. Okay, that shows how strong the resistance is to us. Okay, so now that we have this one, then it means that we should now be dealing with, we should be working with some corrections around 20 25010. I want to work with 25010 or 25, which one is this one? Okay, 2505. Okay, this area, I'll work with this area. Is it okay? This is what I'm going to work with. Okay, yeah. So guys, let's keep things abreast. Whatever the issue, I will be with you, trading with you, and then we are going to be okay. But like I'm saying, let's target more of the sell, okay, than it is of the buy. Are we okay? Though the market, from a bigger perspective, you can see that it is uptrend. You can see that it is uptrend. But since it is uptrend, okay, it has formed numerous touches that suggest that it is a strong resistance area. There has never been a room. It has not given us a room where it is going to bypass. But if it bypass 2540, then we will look at the market to go all the way to 2560 or 25.8. Okay, but it has not broken our resistance zone. So what it means for me, okay, is that I am going to consider some corrections, and then I work with the sell. Okay, so we can decide to go with the buy, or we wait and then target this area. You can target this resistance area, and then we sell all the way down. So there are two things. You can look at it from this perspective, okay, or that area. So we should be able to, as a day trader, okay, or scalper, whatever it is, these are the figures you should work with. This one and this one. Do you understand? So just take note of what is that. Let's look at something. Let me go to 4-hour time. If I go to 4-hour time frame, let me clean this ones. Let's see 4-hour time frame, how it will look like. So on a 4-hour time frame, okay, it's a little bit okay. So on a 4-hour time frame, this is what we are expecting. We are expecting the market to reach this point, okay, but did not reach that area. Okay, we have had some touches over there, so we were expecting it to come here, but did not. Okay, yeah, so some corrections, and then we expected it to come down. Okay, and if there's anything, if it breaks below 2470, it means that we are going to target either this particular line, this uptrend line, this one, the target here. Okay, that's what we are going to target. So just take note of what is happening. Okay, I don't you if you can also look at it very well. Okay, you see, so you can attest to the fact that the market, this area, okay, is a support. This is resistance. There was a breakout. After the breakout, okay, so this is a resistance, a breakout, and then it formed a what? A support. Okay, so this where the support started. Okay, so far we have some 2 touches we are expecting. So you can see that this is what is happening. We call it R, BS. Okay, so resistance was broken, became a support over there. That's why you see it over there. What it simply means is that we are having something like this. Okay, and then we saw this the resistance. Then the market, after breaking, comes to form a new support, So just take note of what it simply means. Do you understand? So now the market has made some touches at the top there. Okay, so we are expecting it to come to the support area. Okay, if this is the support zone, we're expecting it to come to this particular place. If it breaks down, then it means that we're expecting it to go more down. It should start going down the more. You guys, do you understand? So just let's take note of that. So that's why I have this gray area with the support, indicating that area is a support, and that this place is a resistance area which has been broken. Okay, now using the support resistance area to be a support. Okay, a support which we were expecting this one to go up, but it didn't reach there. So we expect some correction and then it will come there. If it breaks, then we look at this area. Okay, or this area. Okay, this is what it simply means. Okay, so let's take note. This is that, so we can look at it from here. Okay, on this line, or the major one. Okay, yeah, so resistance and correction, then to come down. So guys, let's see how it goes. But whatever it is, guys, target more of the sell. I'm going to go with that one. And bear in mind, the major news for this week is which one is this one? CPI. So we are going to work with CPI on Wednesday. Okay, we're going to work with this one on Wednesday. Okay, yes. So let's take note of the major news as well. Okay, very necessary. We should work with that. And then I think we are going to be okay. Okay, yeah, so that is it. Let's look at the weekly time frame or daily time frame first. Okay, still on the uptrend. Okay, still on the uptrend. You see how it works. So still on the uptrend. So since still on the uptrend, and it is now finding it difficult to break above 2540. Okay, which means that place is a place to really take into account more. Okay, yes, but I'm expecting it to come down. Okay, I'm expecting it to come down all the way to let me write this one. So your resistance should be 25 30 to 25 40, and then your support should be 24 80 24 77. Okay, or you can decide to use 75. Okay, you can decide to go with 75 475. These are the key things we should work with. Okay, meaning that if the market gets to this area or this zone, we sell. It gets to this area, we buy. So that is what I wanted you guys to follow, and you are going to be fine. You're going to do well, right? Good. So let's keep things in 4, and don't give up at all. Let us not give up. Okay, let us not give up. It is not a gambling something. Okay, so we always need understanding. We always want to follow something that is worth working. We always want to follow. Okay, yeah. So that is it. I'm expecting it to come down the road, make some corrections. Even with this one, I still have that in mind. It will still come here. Take note of that. Okay. All indications for strong area. Okay, and then 2474 or 2480 should be your area of support. So let's work with this one. Okay, yes. So guys, I think that makes sense. That makes sense. I've given you what you need. Let me check the other one. Okay, let me check that one and see. Let's check. Okay, it's the same thing. Is it okay? I have it over here. So I'm using the same concept too here. So if the price breaks below 25.15, wait for it to sell and go. Okay, so we can still use the same concept. Okay, so this is what we did in the course of the week. Okay, both the news and then after the news, this is what we did, and then it went to our advantage. Okay, first TP1, TP2, and you know I put everything on the page, so this shouldn't be a issue. Okay, this shouldn't be an issue at all. I think, where is it? Yeah, that is it. So TP1, TP2, everything. Okay, you can see it. So this TP1, TP2, then TP3, but I think it went a little bit further the more. Okay, as if I knew that it will not get to this area. You understand? That should tell you how we spend time to analyze the market. Do you understand? So guys, just take note. If you are not following me, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel anytime at all. And if you have any special requests or something, video you want me to do so that you will learn a thing or two, why not? Okay, so just let's do that, and then we are going to be okay. And then find my YouTube channel, subscribe my Telegram channel, and then join, and then get yourself abreast with each and everything. If I don't give this setup, what I do, okay, often than not, is to give them the setup. Okay, I give the setup. So where is it? So sometimes you see that I will give a setup. Okay, all these things you see. So the setup is always given, and then you are going to learn so many things. I'm looking good like something like this. Okay, sometimes I'll give the zones and all that, how I want it to go, how I'm working with the charts and all that. So at the end of the day, you see how it works. Yeah, this is it. So I'm expecting the market to go up. So it went all the way up here. Okay, as discussed. Okay, and then we enjoy it down there. Okay, so you can tell mostly I was targeting more of the sell rather than the buy. If you check it, do you understand? That is what. So I was expecting the market to go up, and then I will sell, and I did that actually, and that is what we did, right? So it makes sense. It makes sense. Let's ensure. Okay, that okay. You see, sometimes I give the zones. I give the sell zone 1, sell zone 2. Okay, so everything I'm doing, I have a structure to that effect. Do you understand? So you will learn more. Okay, you will learn more when you join the Telegram page too as well and follow. Okay, if possibly you want to join my community, you just send me a message and then we are good to go. I mean, that is it. Okay, I don't intend making this video a lengthy one. So guys, take note of this information that I have given you guys. Take note of that. Okay, the key areas. This area is a key place for me. This area too is a key place for me, right? So let's work around it. Nevertheless, from here, just work with this. These are the buy and these are the sell areas. Okay, but these are correction. The ones I've done, these two areas are correction areas. Okay, this area, they are correction areas. So let's take note of that. Is it okay? Yeah, so it will go up, make some correction, come down. So guys, I think basically that is all that I will share with you. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop it under the comment section. On this note, I will say goodbye.